Welcome back to another Empties video. Today I have a few Dollar Tree items to share with you, but mainly I just want to get the trash out of my makeup corner. First item is this empty perfume box, and I found this at the Dollar Tree. There was 3 different ones. This is Sunset Dreams, and this is not an empty perfume, but I wanted to draw your attention to this perfume. If you see these perfumes and these packagings, the Caribbean Joe Island Supply Company perfumes, definitely pick them up. They retail for $15 and they smell amazing and they linger on your skin forever. They smell so good. They're going to be perfect summer scents. You guys have to check them out. Definitely be on the lookout. Those are awesome. Repurchase item time and time again are these the Assured brand 100% pure cotton balls. I love these for makeup removing, nail polish removing, mainly nail polish removing, but I use them for other stuff like applying witch hazel and things like that. So absolutely love these. I repurchase them almost every time I go. Next up we have a microfiber facial pads. There's 3 in here. They were yellow and I'm using the last one in the shower now. I love these for scrubbing your face and they work really nicely with a cleaner. I have wipes, like always. The kids flushable wipes, easy to use and alcohol free. There's 50 in here. They're 6" by 4". These were okay. There's actually still some in here. The little tab that closes isn't that great. And basically once we got to the bottom, they were almost dried out. I don't think I'll be repurchasing those unless we need them for like travel or something. Next up, I got these antibacterial moist wipes. There was 20 in here, vitamin E with aloe, and they're pre-moistened wipes, of course, and it kills germs, moisturizing formula, fresh scent, and convenient and portable. Absolutely. I use these for Connor's hands and face, and it was great. There's only 20, pretty compact for a purse, and I love it. The next wipe item I have here is the Bolero Cleansing Coconut Cream and Vanilla. I love the Bolero wipes. You get 30 for $1. If you can find them at Dollar Tree, highly recommend picking them up. They come in so many different scents through the seasons, and they remove makeup great. They're gentle on the skin, and I've had no irritation using them. I even used Bolero products on Connor, and he's had no irritation either, and he's 5. But that doesn't mean that some won't, but I just think they're a really great product, and you definitely need to check them out. I have an empty deodorant here, and it's from the Shea brand, 48-hour confidence, Shea condition and care, soothing care, and for delicate skin. This deodorant, you get 2.6 ounces. It did work, but I don't think it worked as good as my Secret. So in hindsight, in the long run, I don't think I'll be repurchasing this unless they do not have the Secret deodorant. Some kids bath products I have an Airheads bath bomb in strawberry. I don't know what happened to the watermelon packaging. We had one of those too. Awesome. Smelled great. Did fizzies. Colored the water, I believe. And overall, just great. But you just get 1 for $1. Other kid bath time fun stuff is the kids foaming bubble bath. You get 20 fluid ounces, watermelon scent. And it used to have an octopus on the packaging. Now it has an elephant, but I wish they still had the octopus because I just love octopuses and jellyfish. Strange little fact there for you. And 20 fluid ounces for $1. It foams so well. The bubbles last until the bath is over, and it smells amazing. No skin irritations or anything. I really like that. I've repurchased that probably 20 or more times. Some more bath bombs I have from Spa Naturals. The vanilla and coconut. Connor loves bath bombs, and you get 3 for $1. They're pretty high quality. They smell great, and his skin is so moisturized when he gets out of the tubs. But Connor loves these fizzies, and I love how soft his skin is when he gets out. And we have Lavender Dreams. 3 in here is same brand, Spa Naturals, and I just love these. I'll continue to repurchase them every time I go to the Dollar Tree. Well, I was in such a rush because my camera's dying that I totally forgot 2 items. In the bath stuff, I also have the Daily Defense Viva La Juicy Body Wash, and these are good body washes. This one is 13.5 fluid ounces. This one is a limited edition scent, I believe. I haven't seen it since I bought this. Now, actually, I did find this at Dollar General, but I know that they had the same one at Dollar Tree, though that's why I'm throwing this one in here. Great. I love the packaging. I love the little label here. This was very moisturizing. It lingered a little bit on the skin, but not terribly too long. and paired with a good lotion, you know, scent per day. I would definitely repurchase this if I found it again. And then last body wash I have is the Pure Silk Spa Therapy Body Wash Vanilla and Shea Butter. I like this, but honestly, okay, this one's 14 fluid ounces. These are $1, and they have, I think, 2 or 3 different kinds you can choose from at DollarTree and Dollar General. And there's still a little left in this one because it's kind of watery. It is somewhat moisturizing, but not as moisturizing as the Daily Defense. And I just kind of got over it. So it's got about this much left in it, and I'm just, like I said, I'm just over it. And I've moved on to a new body wash. So I don't think I'll be repurchasing any more Pure Silk. And I think I have one more stocked back, because at first I did like it. And then I think I will just give that to my mom or my sisters. Last and final item I actually have is a candle, and it's Seaside Coastal Pine. It has a cork lid, and how adorable would this be for like a sea or ocean kind of themed gift basket? And it does smell like pine, and it did mainly have a good throw in the kitchen, but no other rooms. That's okay. It burnt really nicely, like always, and it just smells really good. I would definitely repurchase Coastal Pine. I like these candles. And yes, that's all for the empties today. I told you it'd be short and sweet, and thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more empties videos. Check the description box for additional links. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Thank you guys always for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.